Welcome to Yomohini Practice Test 1. Next section. Learn Neural Network Fundamentals. Question 1. What is the primary purpose of an activation function in a neural network? Option A. To initialize the network's weights. Option A. To introduce nonlinearity so the network can learn complex patterns. Option A. To store the training data in memory. Option A. To split text into tokens. The correct answer is A. Activation functions either sigmoid, tan add nonlinearity. Without them, a deep network would collapse into a single linear transformation. Question 2. Which of the following are commonly used neural network activation functions? Select all that apply. Option 1. Option A. Linear acquired error. The correct answers are O and A. Either sigmoid and tan are activation functions. Vadam is an optimizer and Navan is a loss function. Question 3. In supervised learning, what does a model learn from? Option A. Labeled data only. Option A. Labeled examples pairing inputs with their correct outputs. Option A. Keywords collected from an environment. Option A. Randomly generated noise. The correct answer is A. Supervised learning trains on input-output pairs so the model can predict labels for unseen inputs. Classification and regression are the two main types. Question 4. Which algorithm updates a neural network's weights by propagating the error gradient backward through the layers? Option A. Forward propagation. Option A. Backpropagation. Option A. Tokenization. Option A. Normalization. The correct answer is A. Backpropagation plus an optimizer, for example, Vadam, form the training loop, forward pass computes loss, backward pass computes gradients, optimizer updates weights. Next section. Transformer architecture and attention. Question 5. The transformer architecture was introduced in which influential 2017 paper? Option A. Attention is Baldo. Option A. Image classification with deep layers. Option A. Generative adversarial networks. Option A. Deep residual turning for image recognition. The correct answer is A. Attention is Baldo read, replaced recurrence and convolution with self-attention, becoming the foundation of modern theories such as Vabe and Nojare. Question 6. That mechanism lets a transformer weigh the importance of different tokens in a sequence relative to one another. Option A. Convolution. Option A. Recurrence. Option A. Self-attention. Option A. Yax pooling. The correct answer is A. Self-attention computes relationships between all token pairs in parallel, capturing long-range dependencies that AI struggled with. Question 7. In the attention mechanism, what do the vectors A and B represent? Option A. Theory, A value. Option A. Show entity, kernel, vector. Option A. Showality, knowledge, variance. Option A. Suggestion, knowledge, verification. The correct answer is A. Vakil dot product attention computes softmax psi by square root d1. Shuri and Ye produce attention weights, and value carries the aggregated information. Question 8. Which of the following are core components of the transformer architecture? Select all that apply. Option 1. Multi-head self-attention. Option A. Position-wise feed-forward layers. Option A. Positional encoding. Option A. Recurrent relay cells. The correct answers are A and A. A transformer block uses multi-head self-attention, feed-forward layers, residual connections, and layer normalization with positional encodings added to inputs. It contains no recurrence. Next section. TIE fundamentals and tokenization. Question 9. What does the acronym TIE stand for? Option A. Large Language Model. Option A. Linear Learning Chain. Option A. Long Logic Module. Option A. Layered Latent Memory. The correct answer is A. A large language model is a typically transformer-based neural network trained on massive text corpora to understand and generate human language. Question 10. What is tokenization in the context of DIAS? Option A. Encrypting text for security. Option A. Splitting text into smaller units, tokens the model can process. Option A. Translating text into another language. Option A. Removing all numbers from text. The correct answer is A. Tokenization converts raw text into tokens, words, subwords, or characters, which are mapped to integer AIs and then embeddings the model processes. Question 11. Which subword tokenization algorithm is commonly used by API family models? Option A. White pair encoding. Option A. Gun-hot encoding. Option A. Label encoding. Option A. Run length encoding. The correct answer is A. OBI iteratively merges the most frequent byte by character pairs to build a subword vocabulary, balancing vocabulary size with coverage of rare words. Question 12. That is the context window of an Option A. The chat interface used to talk to the model. Option the maximum number of tokens the model can consider at once. Option A. The period during which the model was trained. Option A. The number of bubbles used at inference. The correct answer is A. The context window is the maximum sequence length in tokens and TI can attend to in one forward pass, bounding combined input plus output length. Next section. Prompt engineering. Question 13. That is zero-shot prompting. Option A. Asking the model to perform a task without providing any examples. Option providing exactly one example in the prompt. Option fine-tuning the model on zero data. Option A. Running the model with the temperature set to zero. The correct answer is A. Zero-shot prompting relies on the model's pre-trained knowledge to perform a task from instructions alone, with no in-context examples. Question 14. Which of the following are recognized prompt engineering techniques? Select all that apply. Option A. Zero-shot prompting. Option A. Two-shot prompting. Option A. Chain of thought prompting. Option A. Backpropagation prompting. The correct answers are A and A. Zero-shot, few-shot, and chain of thought are core prompting strategies. Backpropagation is how networks are trained, not a way to prompt them. Question 15. Chain of thought prompting improves results primarily by encouraging the model to do what? Option A. Venerate intermediate reasoning steps before the final answer. Option A is a larger vocabulary. Option A. Keep difficult tokens. Option A. Get temperature to zero. The correct answer is A. Chain of thought (MOVI) prompting asks the model to think step by step, producing intermediate reasoning that improves accuracy on multi-step and arithmetic tasks. Next section. Fine-tuning to real and pineapple. Question 16. That does it mean to fine-tune a pre-trained task? Option A. Continue training it on a smaller, task-specific dataset. Option A. Delete layers to make it smaller. Option A. Run it on a faster. Option A. Write better prompts for it. The correct answer is A. Fine-tuning adapts a pre-trained model to a specific task or domain by continuing training on a targeted dataset, updating the model's weights. Question 17. Which of the following are parameter-efficient fine-tuning methods? Select all that apply. Option A. To rank adaptation. Option A. Prompt tuning. Option A. Adapter modulus. Option A. Full parameter fine-tuning of all weights. The correct answers are A and A. While methods do prompt tuning, adapters, p-tuning update only a small fraction of parameters. Full fine-tuning updates all weights and is not parameter efficient. Question 18. Reduces the cost of fine-tuning large models by doing what? Option A. Injecting small trainable low-rank matrices while freezing the original weights. Option A. Removing half of the model's layers. Option A. Training the model from scratch. Option A. Converting the model to run on a The correct answer is A. Air freezes pre-trained weights and learns low-rank update matrices, so only a few million parameters train instead of billions, cutting memory and compute. Next section. Python libraries for the miss. Question 19. Which open source library provides thousands of pre-trained transformer models behind a unified array? Option A. Hugging Face Transformers. Option A. Matplotlib. Option A. Option A. Polask. The correct answer is A. The Hugging Face Transformers library offers pre-trained models on E5, etc., plus tokenizers and pipelines for common lab tasks. Question 20. Which deep learning framework, widely used for traders, was originally developed by Database? Option A. PyTorch. Option A. Microsoft Excel. Option A. Pandas. Option A. Wayborn. The correct answer is A. PyTorch is a popular open-source deep learning framework with dynamic computation graphs, widely used to train and fine-tune miss. Question 21. Which Python library is the standard tool for one-based tabular data manipulation using data frames? Option A. Pandas. Option A. PyTorch. Option A. Option A. The correct answer is A. Pandas provides the data frame abstraction for loading, cleaning, transforming, and analyzing structured by tabular data, a core tool in net pipelines. Question 22. Which framework is commonly used to build applications by chaining prompts, models, retrieval, and tools? Option A. Langhain. Option A. Option A. Option A. Wasserwalchemy. The correct answer is A. Tang provides abstractions for prompts, chains, agents, memory, and retrieval, making it easier to compose day-powered applications. Next section, ABU and training attack. Question 23. That is ABU Option A framework for building, training, and customizing generative V and AI models. Option A spreadsheet application. Option A web browser. Option A relational database engine. The correct answer is V. Gabriello is an end-to-end, cloud-native framework for developing custom generative V models, including various speech-way and multimodal models. Question 24. Gabriello hubs are programmed for general-purpose parallel computing using which platform? Option A. Option A. Follow. The correct answer is V. Nagium Compute Unified Device Architecture is Gabriello's parallel computing platform and web for general-purpose web computation, including deep learning. Question 25. Which of the following are Gabriello software products in the V stack? Select all that apply. Option 1. Option O. Return Inference Server. Option A. Tensor. Option A. Scikit-learn. The correct answers are O and A. Gilo, Return, Tensor, and ABM are ABM products. Scikit-learn is an open source vanilla library not owned by ABM. Question 26. That is the ABM catalog primarily used for? Option A. Accessing over optimized containers, pre-trained models, and wires. Option A. Booking over cloud reservations only. Option A. Editing photos. Option A. Managing email. The correct answer is V. The ABM Open Cloud catalog provides optimized software, containers, pre-trained models, Helm charts, and wires that accelerate V development. Next section. Written Tensor Array and E deployment. Question 27. That is ABM written inference server used for? Option A. Merging trained V models for inference in production. Option O. Labeling training data. Option Designing neural network architectures. Option A. Threading documentation. The correct answer is V. Written standardizes model deployment, serving models from many frameworks, PyTorch, TensorFlow, TensorAI, with features such as dynamic batching and concurrent execution. Question 28. That is the primary goal of ABM TensorAI. Option A. Optimizing trained models for fast, low latency inference on ABM hubs. Option O. Collecting training data. Option A. Building dashboards. Option A. Managing source code. The correct answer is V. TensorAI is a high-performance inference optimizer and runtime that applies layer fusion, kernel auto-tuning, and reduced precision (6 by AI 8) to accelerate inference. Question 29. That does ABM inference microservices provide? Option A. Pre-built containerized microservices for deploying optimized V models via standard web-based. Option A. New programming language. Option A. Photo editor. Option A. Spreadsheet engine. The correct answer is V. GA packages optimized models as containerized microservices with industry standard web-based, simplifying secure, scalable deployment across cloud and data center. Question 30. TensorAI is specifically designed to optimize what? Option A. Large language model inference on ABM hubs. Option O. Image classification training. Option A. Spreadsheet calculations. Option A. Database indexing. The correct answer is V. TensorAI optimizes inference with techniques such as in-flight, continuous, batching, page gap cache, and quantization for high throughput and low latency. Next section. AI and AI application development. Question 31. What does AI stand for in AI applications? Option A. Retrieval augmented veneration. Option O. Recurrent retention rate. Option A. Random access veneration. Option A. Rapid V-Gateway. The correct answer is V. Retrieval augmented veneration combines entirely with an external knowledge source. Relevant documents are retrieved and added to the prompt so answers are grounded in real data. Question 32. Which of the following are typical components of a AI pipeline? Select all that apply. Option A. A retriever that finds relevant documents. Option A. A vector database storing embeddings. Option A. An entire that generates the final answer. Option A. A overclocking utility. The correct answers are O and A. The AI pipeline embeds and indexes documents in a vector store, retrieves the most relevant chunks for a query, and feeds them to the AI to generate a grounded answer. Question 33. In an AI system, what is typically used to store and search document embeddings? Option 1. A vector database. Option A. Single plain text file. Option A. Spreadsheet. Option A. Printer queue. The correct answer is V. Vector databases, for example, Povio, Dilvus, store embeddings and support fast approximate nearest neighbor search to retrieve the most relevant chunks for a query. Next section, data preprocessing and feature engineering. Question 34. Why is data cleaning an important step before training a model? Option A. Poor quality data, errors, duplicates, missing values, degrades model performance. Option A. It always makes the dataset larger. Option B. It encrypts the data. Option A. It is only needed for image data. The correct answer is V. Garbage in, garbage out, cleaning removes errors, duplicates, and inconsistencies so the model learns from accurate, representative data. Question 35. That is a common technique for handling missing numerical values in a dataset. Option A. Imputing them with a statistic such as the mean or median. Option A. Multiplying them by 0. Option A. Converting them into images. Option A. Discarding the entire dataset. The correct answer is V. Imputation fills missing values, mean, median, mode, or model based, so rows remain usable. Alternatively, rows by columns can be dropped when missingness is minimal. Question 36. That is the purpose of feature scaling, normalization, or standardization. Option A. Bringing features onto a comparable range so no single feature dominates by scale. Option A. Increasing the number of features. Option B. Removing the target variable. Option A. Translating text to another language. The correct answer is V. Killing min-max normalization or z-score standardization ensures features contribute proportionally, helping gradient-based and distance-based algorithms converge. Question 37. Then hot encoding is used to handle what kind of data? Option A. Categorical variables. Option A. High resolution images. Option A. Audio waveforms. Option A. Continuous numerical values. The correct answer is V. Hot encoding converts categorical values into binary indicator columns so models can use them without implying a false ordinal ranking. Question 38. Which of the following are common data preprocessing steps? Select all that apply. Option A. Handling missing values. Option A. Removing duplicate records. Option A. The killing by normalizing features. Option A. Randomly deleting correct labels. The correct answers are V and A. Typical preprocessing includes handling missing values, deduplication, scaling, encoding categoricals, and outlier treatment. Deleting correct labels harms the data. Next section. Experiment design. Question 39. Thai is a dataset commonly split into training and test sets. Option A. To evaluate the model on data it did not see during training. Option A. To make training take longer. Option A. To increase the file size. Option A. To remove the need for labels. The correct answer is V. A held out test set gives an unbiased estimate of generalization. You train on one portion and measure performance on data the model has never seen. Question 40. That is overfitting. Option A. Then a model learns the training data too well, including noise, and generalizes poorly. Option A. Then a model is too small to learn the data. Option A. Then the model runs out of memory. Option A. Then data is missing. The correct answer is V. Overfitting shows low training error but high test error. The model memorizes specifics instead of general patterns. Lower data and regularization help. Question 41. That is the role of a validation set during model development. Option A. To tune hyperparameters and select models without touching the test set. Option A. To train the final model weights. Option A. To deploy the model to production. Option A. To store data backups. The correct answer is V. The validation set guides hyperparameter tuning and early stopping. The test set is reserved for a single, final, unbiased evaluation. Question 42. That does k-fold cross-validation help achieve? Option A more reliable performance estimate by training by validating across multiple data splits. Option A permanent increase in dataset size. Option A elimination of the need for a model. Option A removal of all randomness. The correct answer is V. K-fold cross-validation splits data into k-folds, trains on k1 and validates on the remaining fold, rotating k times to average results and reduce variance. Next section, nodal evaluation and metrics. Question 43. Which metric measures the proportion of correct predictions out of all predictions? Option A, accuracy. Option A, latency. Option A, throughput. Option A, perplexity. The correct answer is V. Accuracy equals correct predictions by total predictions. It is intuitive but can mislead on imbalanced data, where precision, recall, and Thor1 are more informative. Question 44. Tower perplexity for a language model indicates what? Option A. The model predicts the test text with greater confidence by accuracy. Option A. The model runs more slowly. Option A. The model uses more parameters. Option A. The model has more layers. The correct answer is V. Perplexity is the exponential of the average negative log likelihood. Lower values mean the model assigns higher probability to the true next tokens. Question 45. Which metrics are commonly used to evaluate machine translation or summarization against reference text? Option A. Uja and Rera. Option U. Revi and Reva. Option A. Yavu and Lavu. Option A. Yavu and Hide. The correct answer is V. Oyen gram precision, common for translation, and Yeno recall oriented, common for summarization, compare generated text against human references. Question 46. Which of the following are classification evaluation metrics? Select all that apply. Option A. Precision. Option U. Option A. To one score. Option A. The earning rate. The correct answers are V, U, and A. Precision, recall, and to one evaluate classification quality, especially on imbalanced data. Turning rate controls optimization step size during training. Next section, data analysis and visualization. Question 47. Which Python library is the foundational to a plotting library widely used for data visualization? Option A. Matplotlib. Option U. Pytorch. Option A. Option A. The correct answer is V. Matplotlib provides flexible to a plotting line bar scatter histogram. Wayborn builds on it for higher level statistical visualizations. Question 48. What is the purpose of exploratory data analysis? Naive. Option A. To understand data distributions, patterns, and anomalies before modeling. Option A. To deploy a model to production. Option A. To write only the final report. Option A. To encrypt the dataset. The correct answer is V. Naive uses summary statistics and visualizations to reveal distributions, correlations, outliers, and data quality issues, guiding feature engineering and modeling. Question 49. Which type of plot is best for visualizing the distribution of a single continuous variable? Option A. Histogram. Option U. Y chart. Option A. Network graph. Option A. Organization chart. The correct answer is V. A histogram buckets a continuous variable into bins to show its frequency distribution, revealing shape, spread, skew, and potential outliers. Question 50. A scatter plot is most useful for showing what? Option A. The relationship or correlation between two numerical variables. Option A. The exact text of a document. Option A. A single categorical count. Option A. The model source code. The correct answer is V. The scatter plots map two continuous variables to X and Y axis, helping reveal correlation, clusters, trends, and outliers. Next section, ABM and accelerated data machines. Question 51. That is ABM. Option A. A suite of open source libraries for open accelerated data science and analytics. Option A. A text editor. Option A. A cloud email service. Option A. A web browser. The correct answer is V. ABM provides open accelerated libraries that mirror familiar web-based pandas scikit-learn to dramatically speed up data processing and Question 52. Which ABM library is the open accelerated equivalent of pandas? Option A. Option U. Option A. Option A. Matplotlib. The correct answer is V. Nilog offers a pandas-like data frame array that runs on ABU arrays, accelerating data loading, filtering, joins, and aggregations on large datasets. Question 53. Which ABU library provides accelerated machine learning algorithms similar to scikit-learn? Option A. Option U. Option A. Option A. Return. The correct answer is V. Miller implements common algorithms, regression, clustering, dimensionality reduction on the web with a scikit-learn-like web for large speedups. Question 54. That is the main advantage of ABM over web-based pandas by scikit-learn for large datasets. Option A. Much faster processing by leveraging web parallelism. Option A. It requires no data at all. Option A. It eliminates the need to write any code. Option A. It only works on text data. The correct answer is V. By executing operations in parallel across thousands of web cores, ABM can accelerate data science workflows by orders of magnitude while keeping familiar web. Next section, alignment and RESO. Question 55. What does RESO stand for? Option A. Reinforcement turning from human feedback. Option A. Recurrent linear fade-in function. Option A. Rapid turning of 5 frequencies. Option A. Random layer hyperfitting. The correct answer is V. Radford aligns DAI behavior with human preferences by training a reward model from human ranked outputs, then optimizing the policy, often with cowboy, against that reward. Question 56. That is the main goal of alignment for DAIs. Option making outputs helpful, harmless, and consistent with human values and intent. Option increasing the number of upgrades. Option making the model file smaller. Option A rewriting the model in a plus plus. The correct answer is V. Alignment ensures models behave as intended, following instructions and avoiding harmful or untruthful outputs, using techniques like instruction tuning and RADFOR. Question 57. In RADFOR, what is the purpose of the reward model? Option A. To score model outputs according to learned human preferences. Option to tokenize the input text. Option to store the training data. Option A. To render the user interface. The correct answer is V. The reward model is trained on human preference comparisons to predict which outputs people prefer. The TAI policy is then optimized to maximize that reward. Next section. Trustworthy way ethics, OS and safety. Question 58. That is entire hallucination. Option A. Then the model produces fluent but factually incorrect or fabricated information. Option A. Then the model program crashes. Option A. Then they open overheat. Option A. Then training data is encrypted. The correct answer is V. Hallucination is confident but false or unsupported output. Rounding techniques such as AVA and careful evaluation help reduce it. Question 59. Where does bias in entry most commonly originate? Option A. Bias is present in the training data. Option the physical color of the option the programming language used. Option A. The monitor's resolution. The correct answer is V. Dodos learn patterns, including societal and historical biases, from their training data. Litigations include data curation, fairness evaluation, and guardrails. Question 60. That is the purpose of Webulo guardrails. Option A. Providing programmable safety and topical boundaries to DAI-based conversational apps. Option A. Repeating upper training. Option A. Labeling images. Option A. Compressing model weights. The correct answer is V. Lilo Rails is an open source toolkit for defining rules that keep DAI applications on topic, safe, and secure, for example, blocking unsafe content or restricting subject matter. That completes the practice test. Review the explanations for any questions you missed, and good luck on your certification exam.